I'm Cher, bitch. Sounds like Mr. Ed. Hey guys, welcome back to StyledbyEsther's channel. Something a bit different today. This is an old video from when we went to Cher last year sometime. So I just thought I'd put it all together, speed it up, and do a bit of a voiceover over the top, and show you how I did my Cher makeup from last year. Here's my normal base makeup. Well, not normal, obviously, because I'm going to be doing Cher. Obviously, Cher is very specific and distinct features. The main thing, obviously, is the cheekbones, which are very sort of rounded and give that very Cher look, and also the shape of the eyes. I don't know what else I'm gonna say. I thought I'd just do this voiceover all in one take and just see how it goes. So just getting the cream contours down here and really concentrating. I can't remember what photo I was using to reference, but I'll put a few up to the side of my face here just to get an idea. I think I remember the ones I used. So just blending everything out. I think I did take quite a lot of time just to make sure that it was, exactly the shape that we wanted before I powdered anything down. But yeah, okay, let's just keep watching and see what I do. Well, I think that was a bit too dark. Yeah, I remember the brows I was really happy with. I made them quite feathered and obviously a bit more natural. To be a bit more realistic. Obviously, it's still a drag face, but when you're going to try and impersonate someone's makeup, you do need to try and make it look a bit more realistic, I guess. But then sort of realistic, but stepped up a bit and a bit more intense than the original. Even though Cher's makeup's probably pretty much a drag makeup anyway. Yeah, here we go. That's me looking at some reference images, I assume. A difference with my jaw, probably rounded it off a bit more rather than more, not as pointy features. And obviously it's the eyes that really make the difference. Cher's makeup is always very rounded, almost a 1920s/1960s kind of eye shape. It's quite interesting just to watch me back. What am I doing? Blending. Still. Oh, now there's powder. Okay, powdering down now. Brilliant. Oh, lots of powder everywhere. Oh, that's my boobies. Gotta have some boobies. What was I wearing? I was wearing a bodysuit thing, so I probably didn't really need to do that, but I think it was see-through slightly. So yeah, putting a lot of powder down underneath the eyes because I know that I'm going to use black eyeshadows. So it's pretty much a 20s smoky kind of eye. Yeah, well, this is just the eyes. Right, cool. So yeah, Cher's been around for a while. We went and saw Cher last year. Our friend of ours got us tickets, which was really cool. I think it was for just after our wedding. So it was, what is it? It wasn't even last year, it was 2018. Was it 2018? It was a gift for our wedding. And with Cher, whenever Cher was, early 2019 or late 2018, I can't remember. But yeah, so I thought, why not go as Cher? Might as well. And I'd always wanted to do some more impersonation makeups. So I've done Bette Midler in the past, which I never recorded, but I would like to do more. So if you have any suggestions on celebrity makeups that I should do or could do, or you think would suit my face, let me know in the comments. And if you like this kind of format of where I'm just speeding it up and talking over it, yeah, let me know too, because that, I don't know, might be a bit faster for me to edit and I can do more. But yeah, I'd love to do some more impersonations. I probably will soon. As you can see, here comes the black. We outlined the eyes all the way. It's very Kim Kardashian, I guess, as well, like all the way into the inner waterline and quite thin and flared out. I do remember I did put on bottom lashes as well, which adds to the effect of Cher's makeup, which is also a very vintage kind of 20s, 60s kind of look with the bottom lashes. It's weird how her makeup, Cher's makeup, has not changed like pretty much her whole life. It's very Cher, but she does have that. That's her eye. Her natural eye shape is that very round. If you look at her without makeup, her crease of her eye is that very round, sunken in kind of look. Not sunken in a bad way, but I think it looks good. I do remember I think I'm going to be coming up to lips soon, but I did take quite a lot of time on the lips and getting them to look like puffed up, like puffed up injectable lips that are slightly, old, fillers, because her lips aren't, perfect. Yeah, here we go. Sorry, I probably leaned in a bit too far here as well, so it's a bit cut off. But we'll see how that turns out. Yeah, I went in with a lot of highlight and shading and the shape, and then I remember that sort of did make a big difference to the overall look, having the lips looking like they had been filled. And then once the wig is on, that sort of completes the look. Obviously, that was not like Mamma Mia 2 had come out, and she had done her album, and we went with that reference, the platinum blonde Cher from Mamma Mia. But yeah, it's just redefining the cheeks there, and just going over and finishing touches. Well, this is the lips where I get, and this is the detail here, I think. I'm going to draw some lines and everything. Sorry, I had a burp. I'm just going to pick my nose. No matter what you do, once you've got that much layer of makeup on your face, your nose runs, so I have to shove tissue up my nose every time. I don't know if that's a thing for you. But anyway, I think this is coming to an end soon, so if you would like more videos like this, please subscribe to Styled by Esther. If you want me to do any other impersonations, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this little, not a tutorial really, so it's more of a transformation from my Cher makeup from last year. And thank you very much. See you in the next video.
I'm Cher, bitch.
Sounds like Mr. Ed. No. But, mate, I don't mean I sound. I mean, like, that actual line just sounds like Mr. Ed no matter what you do. Does Cher sound like Mr. Ed?
Oh, I didn't see you there. Guess where I'm going?
Oh, God. Mr. Ed. Cher is Mr. Ed. I figured it out.
It's Cher. Oh. It's Cher. Honey, it's Cher. It's Cher.
For the first time on this tour.
It's Cher.